Hi there guys, in this video I'll be showing you the difference between projects and pages in VinylCut. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Software Training's website has lots of videos about how to solve specific software problems in real use cases. New videos uploaded daily. Okay, now once we're in VinylCut, let's start with a project. So a project is the main file that all your graphics and pages and notes will be saved into. Now the ways to start a new project, you can click on this button, new project, go on top to file, select new project or open project, shortcuts Control N, Control O, and on the main toolbar here you also have new and open. Now if we click open, let's just look at the file format. So the project file is saved to a .vc5 file, which can only be opened with VinylCut. Okay, then a project can also kind of be viewed as a Word document. So within a document you will also get pages, and then once you save, all those pages will be related to that same document. In our case, it will be the graphics on each page. Now next up, let's look at pages. So the pages are located at the bottom of the screen here. You can see page 1, and you can click here, new page, or we can go on top here to page, and then we can say add page, delete a page, page properties, or here you can navigate between the pages you have created. Let's add a new page for now. Now it will give you a pop-up box where you can choose the name of it. Let's call this page 2. And under here is a little block which you can change the color of it. So let's just grab something like red so you can easily distinguish the difference. Click OK. Now once again, so if we just have graphics on this page and on our first page, and then once we save, both these pages will be saved with the graphics already. And then another way, like I said, you can add a page. It's also on top here by page. You can say add page. Then to delete your page, you can also go on top to page, delete page, or at the bottom here you can click on the little X and that will also delete the page for you. Then if we would like to rename a page, you can always go to page on top, and then we go to page properties, and then it will give us the same pop-up box where you can choose a new name and new color if you would like. To arrange pages, or that's rather simple. You can go at the bottom, just click on the page you want to rearrange and drag it in front of the other page. Now the arrangement has been changed. And then yeah, so just a quick overview again. So a project file is a bit like a Word document, so you'll have all your information in there, your images, and then the pages are the different pages within the document, in our case different graphics, so you can save that and they'll all be related to that same project file. Well, thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, visit softwaretraining.co.za. You can easily navigate by software name, version, and select the topic you would like to watch. You search a challenge you're facing. If you do not find the answers you're looking for, you can also submit a request here, so we can make the video for you. Till next time, cheers.